Okay, as you can tell behind me what I'm about to start on. I got about an hour to work on it today. So I'm gonna do what I can. This is gonna be a greasy job because I'm gonna do some of the engine stuff, get it clean, see what I could do. And I don't know, not sure yet which way I'm going, but I just got approval for a go ahead on it. So first thing we did, put a new battery in it, and I'm gonna show y'all what battery I went with. Yep, put an Optima Red Top in it. Great batteries on them, you know. So not sure what that, and I don't know what this is about. Who would drill holes? Like I said, there's gonna be a lot of little surprises on this car. The main stuff is actually working, so that's a good thing. So let's get started. All right, as I'm under this car, y'all say these things ain't vacuum cleaners. So he's gonna need a radiator cleaning, that's for sure. I haven't even looked at the temperature on this, so well, it's been there for a little bit. Yeah, see that little bit right there will make the car run hot. Trust me. And y'all can see she got a bad old leak front seal, which I'm gonna change with the harmonic balancer. Might as well going, you know. But see what's going on. But yeah, even though just want to be sure if I could see it easily. And then we'll get to disassembling this thing, because that's gonna be the first thing before I start on the inside, is to change that front harmonic balancer. Yep, when you gotta do that, the motor's gotta be jacked up. Yeah, it's a big process. I think somebody told me he can do it in 30 minutes.